In this video, I will continue the problems related to AM. The equation of AM is V equals 100 into 1 plus 0.25 sine 6280 t into sine 2 pi into 10 raised to 6 into t. Calculate all the frequencies component of the signals and also find the modulation index. We know that the instantaneous voltage of modulated wave equation E equals EC 1 plus MA sine omega m into t into sine omega ct. Say that equation 1. We know the equation, that means the given equation V equals 100 into 1 plus 0.25 sine 6280 t into sine 2 pi into 10 raised to 6 into t. Say this equation 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. First, we must calculate all the frequencies component of the signals. First, A. To find the modulating frequency, that means Fm. We know omega equals 2 pi f. Therefore, omega m equals 2 pi Fm. That means omega m equals 6280. Therefore, 2 pi Fm equals 6280. Therefore, Fm equals 1 kilohertz. Next, B. To find the Fc. We know that omega equals to 2 pi f. Therefore, omega c equals to 2 pi Fc. Therefore, 2 pi Fc equals, in the equation 2 pi Fc, omega c equals to 2 pi Fc. That means omega c equals 2 pi into 10 raised to 6. Therefore, 2 pi Fc equals 2 pi into 10 raised to 6. Therefore, Fc equals 2 pi cancel. Therefore, Fc equals 10 raised to 6 hertz. Next, to find the LSB. C. To find the frequency of LSB. FLSB equals Fc minus Fm. Therefore, the Fc. What is the value of Fc? Fc equals to 10 raised to 6 minus Fm equals to 1 kilohertz. That means 10 raised to 3. Therefore, 10 raised to 3, I am taking common. So, minus 1 into 10 raised to 3. That's equals 999 kilohertz. Next, D. To find the frequency of USB. To find the frequency of USB. You know, FUSB equals FC plus FM, that's equals 10 raised to 6 plus FM means 1 kilohertz, 1 into 10 raised to 3, that's equals 10 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to 3, that's equals 1001 kilohertz. Therefore, FUSB equals 1001 kilohertz, FLSB equals 999 kilohertz. And also in the question, we must find the modulation index. You know, in the equation, observe the equation, these two equations. So 1 plus MA sin omega m into t, 1 plus MA equals to 0.25. Therefore, therefore, the modulation index is, that is, to find the MA, therefore MA equals 0.25. Next. Next problem. An audio signal of 2 kilohertz is used to modulate a high frequency signal of 500 kilohertz. Calculate the sideband frequency and bandwidth. Solution. Given Fm equals 2 kilohertz, Fc equals 500 kilohertz. First one, A. To find LSB, that means FLSB equals Fc minus Fm, that's equals Fc equals 500 into 10 raised to 3 minus Fm equals 2 kilohertz, 2 into 10 raised to 3. Therefore, 498 kilohertz. Next, we must calculate the B. We must calculate, to find USB. You know, FUSB equals Fc plus Fm, that's equals Fc equals to 500 kilo plus Fm equals to 2 kilo hertz. Therefore, 502 kilohertz. Next, C. To find the bandwidth, of AM wave. You know the equation, the bandwidth of AM wave is equals 2 FM, that's equals 2 into FM. FM equals to 2 kilohertz into 2 kilo, that's equals 4 kilohertz. Next problem. A 10 kilowatt broadcasting transmitting radiates an AM signal at 11.25 kilowatt. Calculate the depth of the modulation. You know the given PC equals 10 kilowatt and PT, that means total power, equals 11.25 kilowatt. And next we must calculate the depth of the modulation. MA equals, we must calculate the depth of the modulation. Therefore, we know the equation PT equals, total power PT equals PC into 1 plus MA square divided by 2. Therefore, MA equals square root of PT divided by PC minus 1 into 2. That's equals, substitute the value of PT and PC, that's equals, PT means 11.25 kilowatt to the next PC means 10 kilowatt, so minus 1 into 2, that's equals, we will get 0.5. Next, problem. The antenna current of an transmitter is 10 amps when the carrier is unmodulated. On modulation, the antenna current increases to 12 amps. Calculate the modulation index. That means, given IC equals 10 amps, IT equals 12 amps, we must calculate the modulation index. MA equals, we must calculate the modulation index. We know IT equals IC into square root of 1 plus MA square divided by 2. Therefore, IT divided by IC equals square root of 1 plus MA square divided by 2. Squaring on both sides, we get IT square divided by IC square, that's equals 1 plus MA square divided by 2. Therefore, 1 plus MA square divided by 2, that's equals IT square divided by IC square, that's equals 12 square divided by 10 square. Therefore, 1 plus MA square divided by 2 equals 1.44. Next, MA square by 2, that's equals 0.44. Therefore, M square, MA square, that equals to 2 into 0.44. Next, MA square equals to 0.88. Therefore, MA equals square root of 0.88. Therefore, MA equals 0.938. Thank you.